We are just facing facts. Now, what is a fact? What do you think is a fact? That which has happened before, an incident, a car accident, that's a fact. Or what is happening now, sitting here, is a fact. But what will happen in the future may not be a fact. So, fact implies that which has happened before. Yesterday, walking along the lane, I met a viper. I saw it. It didn't bite me. That's a fact. And what is happening now, what I am thinking, what I am doing now, is a fact. And what I will do may not be a fact. It might happen or might not happen. So if we are clear on what is a fact, and then what is an idea, you understand? Is an idea a fact? You understand? And the word idea, Greek and so on, Latin, means to observe. The root meaning of that word, idea, is to observe, to perceive, to see. What we do is see a fact and make an abstraction of it, and then pursue the idea. Which means there is always the fact and a conclusion from the fact. And pursue the fact, pursue the conclusion, not the understanding of the fact. Am I making myself clear? So please, it's not how do you know what you are saying is to be true. The speaker is merely pointing out facts. Those facts are not personal. If I say, I am a Hindu and stick to it, that's a fact. Whether it's an illusion, whether it is some kind of superstitious, sentimental nonsense, that's also a fact. You know, fact can be an illusion or actual. But most of us live with illusions. I'm an Indian, that's an illusion. And you are, if I may most gently point out, you are British. That's also an illusion. This tribal insular worship is destroying the world. That's a fact. As long as I am an Arab and you are something else, I'm going to destroy you, because I believe by destroying you I go to heaven. Right? That's an illusion which they have accepted as a fact, and for that illusion they are willing to fight and kill and destroy. Right? So, can we always deal with facts? I'm asking. Can we always be with facts? not translate the facts according to my prejudice, according to my belief, according to my neurotic illusions, however noble they are. Can I look at these facts and understand what those facts are saying? Suppose I had an accident in a car. Can I look at that fact that I'm rather careless, they're driving too fast, not paying complete attention to what I was doing because I was talking to my friend next to me? That's a fact. But I then say, no, it's your fault because, you know, the other fellow is the fool. Now, it's a fact that we have ideals, right? Don't you all have ideals? No? I wish we could have a dialogue, friendly, talk to each other. Don't you have ideals? I'm afraid you do. Ideals. What are those ideals? Are they facts? The ideal that we must live peacefully, right? The ideal that we must be, whatever it is, non-violent, or the ideals of a communist, which are drawn from historical study, but those studies are prejudiced by my conditioning. So, why do we have ideals at all? I know this is a dangerous thing to say, because most of us live with these extraordinary ideals. We are questioning, please, I'm not saying you should or should not have ideals. I'm saying, why do we have ideals? Faiths, beliefs. As a Christian, as a Buddhist, as a Hindu, I'm an American, you are British, you know, all the rest of it. Why? Is it our brain is incapable of living without any illusion? What do you say to that? Is my brain capable, strong, vital, to understand things as they are and not create a future ideal? Ideal is non-existent, right? All Christians and all religious people believe that you must not kill, right? And probably the Christians have killed more than anybody else, right? I admit it, so don't be. And the Islamic world have killed more, not so many as the Christians. And probably the Buddhists and the Hindus come much on a lower scale because they are barbarians. They are uncivilized people. And so it goes on. And we know that ideals of every kind, faith, belief, divide people. Right? That's a fact. So can we be free of ideals, of faith, of being identified with one group and against another group which identifies with another, you follow? Be free of all this. Could we? Or is that impossible?